Here we are, Little Italy. How is it?
I'm speechless and brain frozen.
Good morning. We are doing something a little different today.
Yes, we are.
We're taking
An aeroplane.
we're doing an overnight trip.
We're going to San Diego, everyone. It's going to be quick, fun, and lots of good food. Stay tuned.
Well, we have just made it.
Party time.
Time to So we've made it to
The Piazza.
Little Italy. We've spent a couple hours here just kind of relaxing, resting, having a couple drinks, and waiting for the restaurants to start opening up at 11.
We couldn't check into our hotel yet. It was too early. We got here too early in the morning. So,
I don't think it's too early to be in San Diego in the sun,
nah, it's pretty nice.
but it's pretty cool. As you've seen in some of our videos, I'm a big Sam the Cooking Guy fan, and that's why we're here. Try out his restaurants, see the sights,
Which one do you want to try? That one, or that one, or that one?
or that
Or
one.
the other one?
We're gonna try all of them. This is our no cooking, no Jeep weekend, or night.
And eat like pigs.
We're only here for 37 hours. It's gonna be a quick trip.
It's a hot date.
Kind of lost time.
Looking around, eating, having some beverages, and people
Sounds
watching.
really
which
good
is been a
food.
lot of fun. People watching.
Really good food. Not sure what my favorite is yet because we haven't finished. I'm gonna say so far Ray's is my favorite. He's probably gonna say not tacos.
More specifically, the hot chicken taco. Oh my god, it was great. Loved it.
I will admit I'm the grazer.
She's like, she likes graze.
And his wife was right. That's the name of it. Graze. Kelly was right. Kudos to her.
We're gonna finish up our bill here and go walking down the street and look for a nice espresso and
Maybe ice cream
maybe.
for dessert.
Why not? We're here. Let's do it.
Check in with you later. Well, good morning, everyone. We are starting out our morning.
We smell salt water, which is not normal.
Starting
Love
out
it.
our morning down at the fish market. We're gonna take a walk down the pier and see what else we can discover before going back to Little Italy for a couple more.
Pig out sessions.
Yes, until we have to head for the airport and head on home. So, join us.
Come with.
And
At a great ocean trip, this is off, and a few things you can't let you blind all the way. Here we are. Everybody that's on the front of the plane, I know some of you guys saw them. Halfway across the planet, I feel the nervous. Yeah, this will be my third time up. This is my first. I did a little rough just to yell at first. Don't be killing the guys in first.
Wow.
see the ship.
What do you think?
It's beautiful. It's a fabulous anniversary present.
That's cool.
All timber. Built in 1900. But that's cool inside. $100 million yacht.
Look at that thing. Moly. That's our next vehicle.
Yeah.
Jeez. this out.
Where are we?
Me.
We have our owls. What?
Cheers.
In a minute.
Yeah, we're gonna go find some food, drinks,
Head up to Little Italy.
and this is a nice little treat though, walking along the bay.
The pier.
Yeah, beautiful weather, but it's getting hot. We're sweating.
It was a little warmer than what we anticipated.
Yeah, time for a beverage. So here we are in Little Italy at their farmer's market,
And everybody's phones are going
and
off.
it's kind of crazy because there's an Amber Alert. And normally when we get an Amber Alert on our phones, the two of ours are going off at home, but now there's thousands of phones going
Well, this
off.
one is a national one. Check your phone.
So we've been out hanging out here for 2 days now, just having a good time, and I'll have to zoom in, but we've been looking at the same 2 feet in the window. It's some dude at his computer, but he spends hours and hours and hours at his computer, and his feet are always there. Hi!
He's enjoying his work.
Nashville hot chicken, garlic aioli with fries. Going down.
Sitting at Gray's.
Sitting where?
At Gray's. By Sam.
So, we're finishing up, about to head for the airport. Carrie's taking photos of other people. We've been doing this a lot today. Just stand in the middle of the street. But it's under the Little Italy sign. It's kind of cool. Not bad. We just had ice cream at Pop Pop's. Best ice cream we've ever had. No doubt. If this is our future, get stuff like this. We didn't even stop for gelato. They didn't even say this was gelato. This is just an ice cream place, but oh man, so good.
Yeah, if you're ever here, come check it out. Plus,
Yeah.
all of Sam's restaurants are amazing.
Yeah, and
get the passport.
passport was a good deal.
Yeah.
But-
Wine Wednesday is a great deal too.
Our Uber is coming, and we're headed for the airport.
And headed home.
It was a quick trip, but man,
So worth it.
so good, so good.
And thanks for watching.
Yeah,
Like and subscribe. Keep our trips going. Help us out.
please do. We'll see you later.
Take care.